Today we had the chance to talk about using artificial intelligence services to find value in information from drones. Drones that were used for public safety, industrial inspection, and other applied services. Companies can use AI to augment drone systems to help find valuable information within huge streams of data. A drone can deliver a ton of data, more than we can read and interpret. AI finds the area of interest in that large data stream, making individual employees and researchers more effective. Over time, we'll see systems working together more closely. We'll see drone systems and AI systems very closely intertwined. We'll see it become easier and easier to develop new AI services. The tools are going to become much easier to use. The drones more autonomous. And as a result, we're going to be more productive in consuming that information.